Let's learn how to delete a status on WhatsApp. It's not complicated at all, yet many people don't know how to do it. The process is the same on both iPhone and Android. If you want to learn how to delete a status, stay until the end of the video. First, open WhatsApp and check if you are on the correct account from which you want to delete the status. Now that you are sure you are on the right account, we can begin. Second, you need to click on Updates in the bottom left corner, which will take you to the page where your status is located. Your status on that page is at the top and labeled My Status. All you need to do now is click on My Status. This will take you to the page where your status is, next to which are 3 dots. Click on them, and you will see a red option to delete. Click on it, then you will see a confirmation asking if you are sure you want to delete the status. When you are sure, click on the red button to confirm.
That's it!
Once you have done all this, you have successfully deleted your status from WhatsApp. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.